I'm Steve Klomps, Operations Manager at McNeilus Steel for the past 20 years here in Dodge Center, Minnesota. McNeilus Steel was founded in 1948 by Harry McNeilus and still is a privately owned company by Pat McNeilus and the McNeilus family. McNeilus Steel moved into its current location in Dodge Center in 1978, which now serves as the company headquarters. McNeilus has expanded over time and now has 5 locations. McNeilus Steel supplies many of our customers in a variety of different industries, including the construction, truck and trailer, defense, lawn and garden, concrete, waste and recycling industries. With over 750 employees and 180 trucks, McNeilus Steel delivers well over 1 billion pounds of steel annually for the last 5 years to our loyal customers. McNeilus Steel has a long-lasting relationship with Red Bud Industries. We purchased our first Red Bud multi-blanking stretcher leveling line in 2003 and added a second heavy gauge leveling line in 2005, adding another line in 2010 in Fargo and 2013 in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Our newest line has been installed in Dodge Center and replaces our old 2005 line. As the steel market has changed to lighter and stronger material, our new line is capable of producing stretcher-leveled, stress-free material up to 3/4 of an inch, grade 50. We can also level material 85 inches wide, opening up new markets for stretcher-leveled, stress-free, flat-rolled material. With many of our operators having on average over 10 years experience of stretcher leveling, switching from our older line into the new one has been easy. The new Red Bud straightener has been a tremendous advantage over our old leveler. The straightener has more power and gives us a much wider range of material, which we now can run in the new line. Our new line runs material from 16 gauge up to 3/4 of an inch. It also runs much quicker. The looping pit allows us to loop material up to 3/8 of an inch thick and speeds over 600 feet a minute. Red Bud's service and support has been tremendous over the years. Many of the service techs have been there since we started doing business with them in 2003. When we call to ask a question, all of their service people are very knowledgeable about the machine as they have had some involvement in either the development or actual build of the machine. With our tremendous employees and the best leveling equipment in the industry, our customers have become accustomed to flat material that stays flat after any kind of secondary processing. Because of our strong relationship with Red Bud Industries, McNeilus Steel has decided to purchase our 6th line from Red Bud Industries, a 1/2 inch heavy gauge stretcher leveler, which will be installing late next year. With the true partnership we have created with Red Bud Industries over the past 20 years, we will continue to grow our market share and become a leader in the steel industry.